Hello children, good morning all of you. Once again today I am here with your important questions as yesterday we have done from geography. Today I am going to give you some important questions from your Democratic Politics Part 2 second book, chapter number 1, that is power sharing. Chapter number 1, that is power sharing. Some important questions from there. As nowadays we are dealing with your Viva with the help of online classes, and I would like to tell you some important questions, going to dictate you some questions, and you have to answer. Wherever you face problem, you may consult me, right? As you wish. To start writing, let us proceed further with the same procedure. Which one of the following does not share its boundaries with Belgium? Which one of the following does not share its boundaries with Belgium? Options are France, Sweden, Netherlands. France, Sweden, Netherlands. Okay? Then question number second. Why power sharing is desirable? Why power sharing is desirable? I am giving you options here also. It reduces the conflicts. Option number 1. Option number 2. Imposes the will of the majority over minority. That is power sharing. Or option C is it helps the people of different communities to celebrate their festivals. It helps the people to celebrate their festivals collectively. Then our question number third question is, which language is dominantly spoken in Belgium? Which language is dominatively spoken in Belgium? Then our question number 4. Name the capital city of Belgium. Name the capital city of Belgium. Okay students, then our question number 5. Question number 5 is there. What proportion of population speaks French in the capital city of Belgium? But percentage of population speaks French in the city of Belgium. Then let us proceed further. Question number 6. A war-like conflicts between two opposite groups within the country, right? A war-like, जैसे war होती है इस टाइप से war-like conflicts between two social groups, two communities within the country. What we call it. Then question number 7. Sri Lanka is an island, we know it, just few kilometers from the southern coast of dash dash dash. Sri Lanka is an island and few kilometers from the southern coast of dash dash dash. Right? Then we have question number 8. Eighth question we have to see what percentage of Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka? What percentage of Sinhala speaking people in percentage in Sri Lanka? Then question number 9. What is the percentage of Sri Lankan Tamils out of the total population of Sri Lanka? Out of the total population of Sri Lanka. Then question number 10. Intelligent sharing of power is done among option A is legislature and central government, legislature, executive and judiciary. Third is executive and judiciary. You have to give the right option here. 3 options I have given already. And then question number 11. What is the theory of checks and balances? Next question is, what is the theory of checks and balances? Then you have to write question number 12. What is vertical power sharing? What is vertical power sharing? Then you have to write. Next question is 13th. 13th question you have to write. When power is shared among the different organs of the government. When power is shared among the different organs of the government, what is it called? What is it called? When power is shared among the different organs of the government. उससे पहले मैंने पूछा था what is vertical power sharing. Then mention one disadvantage of not sharing power. Question number 14. Disadvantage of not sharing power. Then next question is there. Question number 15. You have to write. You have to mention 2 countries sharing boundaries with Belgium, sharing boundaries with Belgium. Name 2 countries. Right? Then you have question number 16. What is the significance of the word ethnic? When we did this chapter, we explained and discussed, I was using this term again and again, ethnic composition, moral values. So now you have to define what does this word mean, ethnic. Then question number 17. Question number 17. Which minority community is relatively rich and powerful? Which minority community is relatively rich and powerful in Belgium. And next question is 18. What was the historical language of southern Belgium? What was the historical language of southern Belgium? And very, very important, when did Belgium got independence? When did Belgium got independence? Then next question is question number 20. Question number 20. Which major social groups constituted the largest share in the population of Sri Lanka? Which largest group constituted the largest share in population of Sri Lanka? Then 21st question is there. Question number 21. Now we can take it. Which country do Indian Tamils belong to? Which country do Indian Tamils belong to? Then next one is question number 22nd. Question number 22nd. In which year did Sri Lanka achieve its independence? Mind that earlier I asked about Belgium. Now I am asking about Sri Lanka. Then question number 23. Which country has adopted Buddhism as its official religion? Which country has adopted Buddhism its official religion? Then question number 24. Mention two measures adopted by Sri Lanka in 1956 as a part of majoritarianism policy. Two measures adopted by Sri Lanka as a part of majoritarianism policy in 1956. In 1956. And the last question is 25th. 25th question is that for how many times was Belgium constitution amended? For how many times was Belgium constitution amended between 1970 and 1993? 1970 से लेके 1993 तक Belgium constitution was amended for how many times and reason? Why? Okay students, so in this way today we have done 25 questions from this chapter, and next we will do in our next lecture. Bye, take care. Don't forget to note down all these things and write their answers also. Wherever you are confused, you think that this answer may be right or wrong, you may consult me freely. Bye students, take care.